Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know I've been a little off lately, and I told you in my last video, I think, you were gonna find out why soon. Not in this video, but let's play our intro. Okay, so I've been a little off. I'm transitioning into a new beauty room filming studio setup. I'm still not done. I did not think it was going to take me this long, but guess what? It took forever. I'm closer though, and I finally have my filming set back up. Different backdrop. It's a really old one. I know it needs steamed. Don't come for me. Anyways, what we have today, I am behind, like always, is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the first official one they've done. They did a few for some bigger influencers. Nobody told them I needed one, I guess. But I've got the first official one that was open to the public. There's a ton of videos. I hear you. I know next month I'm going to get it up as quick as I can. But we have got this today, and my box actually came with 6 items. So if I look crazy, that's because I left place to play with the 6 items in my box, with the exception of 1. So first things first, you get the bag, which is exceptionally bigger than the older Ipsy bags, which you can still get the regular subscription, but this one comes with like a huge bag that actually has room for all of the items that come with it. So this one retails for $25 as opposed to the $10 you pay for a regular Ipsy bag. I'll tell you at the end how I feel about that. So the first thing we've got is this Pure Lease Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. This is the box. Blah, blah, blah. This is the one thing I cannot try out for you guys. I just rushed on a face of makeup, so we ain't taking it off. But this is a 10-minute facial. It says it's good for all skin types and sensitive skin. I can test it out later if anyone is curious and let you know. I don't think it focused, but it's this blue tube, and I'll let you know how I feel about it. We have got our thing here that tells us everything that comes in this box, and it's huge. So this one is a, oh my god, I don't see the values anywhere. So okay, I don't know how much the stuff is worth. I know how much a couple of things are worth, but we have this skin mask first. So next, because I'm feeling like I look a little crazy, we have got the Smashbox Cover Shot Palette in Bold Glitter. These have the really cool holographic, is that the right word? Holographic fronts that kind of change when you switch them. I do have some eyeshadow on. It's pretty messy. This is just a quick little, you know, simple whatever, because this palette opens here, has a mirror, is all glitters. I have not touched it. I have not played in it. Let me go ahead and swatch a couple that I'm pretty positive I won't be using today. So these are a very chalky actual glitter feel to them. Swatch them for y'all first. Here's how they look on the hand. Ooh, y'all, bear with me this video. They are not as pigmented as I would prefer. There is a ton of glitter though. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop I'm gonna pop this bigger color right here. It's more of a champagne-y shade, just on the lid. And honestly, it's not even showing up. Let me grab my little mirror. Feeling like this is not working for me. I think this is something that is actually more straight glitter than a shadow, and perhaps I needed a glitter glue, which is not something I typically go for. If I'm gonna have a glitter, we're about to go all out. We aren't just doing this little micro glitter in a palette thing. So I'm not really feeling this yet. Have I given it a fair shot? Not really. I mean, it's pretty. I'll zoom y'all in so that maybe you can see. I don't know if the camera is catching this, but I don't know. It's just not quite my speed. But this is like a $29 value by itself. I know that. So you just paid for your box. And for a lower ticket item, I got the Aiko, I don't know how to say it, Skinny Liquid Liner. I have gotten this in the past. Pretty decent. It's been a very long time. I think I actually got it in a regular Ipsy bag. This is more like a $10, $12 product. It's been so long since I got it though, even if I could find it, it's probably dried out by now. But it's pretty easy to work with. Super black, decent tip, dries down pretty matte. Overall, not too shabby. Would I go out and buy it? Probably not. But I say it works well. I think this is just because this is my wrinkly eye. Anyways, it is a nice little black liner if you just need an extra to kind of toss in your purse or in the bag it came in. Either way. And I am seeing that palette use it with a glitter glue because I have so much fallout everywhere. It's just unreal. Moving on. We also have the Man Eater Mascara. This is a Tarte product. I do tend to love Tarte products. And if you hear slamming doors, we're going to work on that. My new beauty room is in the bottom floor of my house. I'll show it to y'all once it's finished, but there's going to be a little more doors, but it's also a little more soundproofed so the overall sounds in the house don't echo everywhere. But we've got this pretty packaging, kind of leopard print. It's supposed to be a pretty good mascara, but I've never personally tried it. So I usually love Tarte stuff, especially their mascaras. So I'm going to put it on one eye, top and bottom. And I'll zoom y'all in to see a bit of a comparison. I have been looking for a new mascara I would love. The last one I really liked was the Hikari one that I got in some subscription box. And it was good, but it dried out really fast. And I don't go through mascara super quick because I do switch it up and try new ones. Okay, so we're just gonna zoom. This is not bad. I mean, it worked, but it's not too impressive either. I do like it for the bottom lashes though. Top lashes, not so much. I don't know. But, let me put it on this other eye and then we gonna move on. And y'all, I'm challenging myself because I am filming this and I do need to get it up in the morning. I want to be able to do this with as little editing as possible because I have got a ton of stuff to do. I have let myself get off track lately. If you follow me on my other socials, you'll know that on Twitter I posted that I'm getting my life together starting today. So yeah, I'm not putting it off anymore to the first of the month because I always do that and then find excuses. So we've got that mascara on. Now this is what I was excited about, and this is kind of dumb because I could have spent less than the box to get this, but I just couldn't make myself pay for it. So when I saw that this was coming in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I was hella excited because I have been talking myself out of buying this forever. We have got the Morphe High Impact Highlighter. It is about $15 retail, which to me I don't like paying for individual highlighters. I typically prefer a palette. I just don't like paying more than like $5 for a single anything. I don't know. I'm cheap. But we've got this. It's kind of a golden color, so I'm not sure exactly how well this shade is going to go for me. But I'm going to use my Morphe M501 and pop it on here. And that's actually really pretty. It is a tiny bit too golden for me, but my foundation is also a tiny bit too light today. So maybe if I ever have on my proper shade match, it'll work a little better. So we're just gonna pile this on because highlighter fixes everything. And then pop a little on the nose and the lip. Yeah, I like it. Definitely has blinding potential. Very good. So we have one more item left. We have got, and I've been curious about this, it is the Beauty by Pop Sugar Be Sweet Tinted Lip Balm. It's got some SPF in it. That's supposed to be awesome. And this is the shade Blush Crush. They recently, Pop Sugar came out with a line. It's got super cute packaging. And they have a few things out, but I haven't tried it. Like, I've heard of Pop Sugar, but I don't know why. I don't know. Pop Sugar's cool, I guess. But they have this new line. This could be something I'm feeling, about to put it on and see, that could be really good for like a on the go, not much makeup, no makeup type of thing. But we will see. Oh, okay. I lied. I was expecting this to literally be like a barely tinted lip balm, but for that name, it's got quite a bit of pigment. I definitely like it. I'm not hating it. I don't know how much I would use that. Smells good. It's pretty. I like it. Okay, so only other thing I had to say was how cute inside this box. It is adorable. It says, "Don't be pretty like you, like them. Be pretty like you." And I think that is the cutest, sweetest thing ever. I love, love, love little details. They make me so happy when brands kind of go out of the way to make something feel a little more special for everyone who gets it. But yes, and just to prove a point, item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The bag zips up and you've still got room left. So if you're wondering, I love the bags from Ipsy in general. That's part of why I kept the regular subscription so long, even though I didn't like the sample sizes. This bag is huge and I could actually use it to take like my work makeup or my on the go when I lay down my base but I haven't finished everything out, or my touch-up stuff. Definitely couldn't fit a full face. Way too high maintenance for that. But I could fit a lot of makeup in there and legitimately take it with me for short travels or day trips. That's pretty cool. So that is it for today's video. I'm gonna work on this situation because I'm looking in the viewfinder. I know I've looked in the viewfinder a lot. Tell me in the comments. I know. And this backdrop is definitely throwing off my lighting and my autofocus a little bit. So I'm gonna work on that. I have some new backdrops. I lost them. Of course I did. And I'm gonna get some of those up and actually steamed so we aren't so wrinkly. And yeah. So I'm rambling. Be sure that if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Things are about to get a lot better and a lot more on track and on schedule. I promise this time I really do. I actually already have something pre-recorded for like 2 weeks from now. I feel a little bit ahead. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is definitely a hit for me. I cannot wait to see what they have next month. I actually haven't even seen spoilers. I wish they were more like Boxy and did spoilers all the time because I want to know. But they didn't. That's fine. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on Monday with a tutorial. Bye, you guys.